Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, December 10th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Uh, Today was an interesting day for us. The Dow, I've been talking about this floor at 30,000, and the floor was a little leaky today. It penetrated that floor several times today, but interestingly enough, it closed right at 30,000. And depending on, it was a fractional close, so depending whether you round the fraction up or round it down, it's either just above 30,000 or just below. So, how it goes tomorrow will be interesting. I think it'll probably go up, but who knows? Um, we had a kind of mixed day also. Yesterday was just terrible. We came in with 8 positions and closed all 8 of those positions out negative, with negative over $22,000 in closed out losses. That's a real kick in the butt. And this is the second time something like that has happened this month. So we're not doing very well in December, so far at least. However, there was some good news. I'm always curious. You have trading days. Some days are green and some days are red, and oftentimes it's not a mixture. It's like you're either having good days or bad days, but not too much in between. And yesterday was an all red day. Literally, my screen was all red. And today, my screen, after we dumped those horrible positions, got rid of the $22,000 in losses, everything turned green. And we got into 8 positions, 6 positive, only 2 negative, and we're up almost $12,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. So, had a good day after we got rid of the $22,000 in all losses. 8 positions, all losses. Got rid of those out of the way. We had a good day. So hopefully the worm has turned. We'll start making money now. We'll just have to see. Uh, if I didn't say so officially, the Dow's down 70 points for the day. I'll show you 3 of the good positions that we got into today. I have nothing to show you for what we got out of because they're all negative. So let's look at 3 good positions. And this first one is BRZU. That's the Brazilian index. And we gapped up and just started moving immediately. We grabbed it there. Uh, at the time seemed pretty high, but it just kept going, closed nearly on its high there. We have positive $2,000 in open trade in BRZU. And then this is NETE, Net Element Incorporated, and we got into this the last hour of the day today. This thing exploded, and we grabbed it, and it kept moving, and we have $4,100 in Net Element. And then finally, our biggest trade. Oh, I didn't do a good job of organizing this today. Okay. This is WTI, which is WNT Offshore Incorporated. And tomorrow we're going into our 3rd day with this trade. We bought this yesterday, and it was interesting. this was among our terrible trades yesterday. We nearly bought the high tick of the day, and then it went against us. We were down, I forget how much, but we were down a substantial amount of money on this thing. But only under the most unusual circumstances do we get out on day of entry. We just hang on to those things. Lucky we did, because this thing just exploded today and went way up there, and just a little bit of pullback at the end, but not very much. And we're up $4,500 in WNT Offshore Incorporated. Looks like a real good trade. See what happens tomorrow. Anyway, that's the way it went, good and bad. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.